Okay guys, so I'm back in my bathroom, and this time I'm gonna try to do like an organizing thingy. Now I bought this at Aldi, and I actually bought it today, but you're gonna see this probably on Valentine's Day, I'm thinking. But anyway, it's a slide out jar, and it shows the kitchen dishes and all that, but you can pretty much use it anywhere. So I haven't even unboxed it yet, so I was gonna unbox it, and I'm planning on using it in here. So we'll see how this works. And if it doesn't work, I'll take it back, but we're gonna see if it works. So anyway, I'm trying to decide what I want to do first. All right, let me see about unboxing it first. Thankfully, I have a little bit of nails. Okay, so just kind of slide it out of here. Okay, so there's no assembly to it. Let's put it on the floor real quick. Let's see. Oh, I think it's kind of, yeah, it's tied together here. So, now some scissors in here. Well, it looks like I kind of, sort of untied it. Okay. Yeah, it's like twist tied together. Okay. So now I'm going to put this over here and see how it works. Okay, so it should go like this. Okay. So it should work pretty good because I'm kind of sliding it out, sliding it back in, so it should work pretty good. So the next thing I'm going to need to do is take everything out. So, okay. I'm thinking about maybe putting it on this side because I think I got too much plumbing on this side to really make it work. So we're going to take all this stuff out. Okay. Okay. So let's see how this is going to work. Oh man, it's not going to fit in there. Yeah, see, it's like the plumbing. Unless I put it over here, but alright, let's see, was this? Yeah, this was all in here. Man, I have to take it back. Okay, let me slide this out. This is gonna suck. Yeah, I'm gonna fit right there. Oh, man. Yeah, that's not even gonna work. That just truly freaking sucks. I can't do it sideways because there's no way I can do that. Okay, well, I guess this is a fail. Dang it. Yeah, it's not gonna work.
Okay.
Alrighty.
I'm glad I was there to help you.
Okay, let's see. Let's see.
Second.
Okay, I'm gonna probably put that to the very end because I don't use that very often. I can't go too far back there. Okay, let's see. Well, that's not gonna fit in there because it's too high. See, that's not gonna fit in there either. That will fit in there, but I don't know if this will or not. Yeah, I mean, you can go in there sideways, but I'll make sure it's not coming out of the tanner thingy. This kind of back here in the back. Yes, I'm still filming.
I'm gonna be checking on the meat in a little bit to make sure that it's
Dylan,
right.
I don't think it's gonna be done that quickly.
Well, it says it is, so it's gonna take 2 tries.
Okay,
We'll see.
probably put this. Okay. No, this is not gonna. This will probably fit. Probably just put this on. Do you hear that? Okay. No, it'll fit right there. No, this is not gonna fit there. Okay. Could have sworn I had another like little curling iron down here, but it don't look like it. Okay, so don't really use that up very often. This one, that's disinfectant. I don't use that that much. Okay, so that'll work right there. Okay. Probably set that aside or something. Still a lot of room here. Okay, so I might set this because I don't want no, that's not. Yeah, see, that's not gonna fit. Okay. Oh, look at that. I'll do this right here. Put that on right there. Okay. Yeah, see, that's gonna fall. Those gonna stay up. Okay, that'll work. And then this can go over here. And then okay. And this will just kind of go like right here. Okay. It fits, not exactly how I wanted to fit, but anyway, alright. Okay guys, so got it to fit. It's not exactly how I wanted it, but it will work. Let me see if I can bring you guys kind of closer. Oh. Okay, so I'm trying to keep the camera steady a little bit because I'm using my selfie stick. But as you can see, I got everything in here that I wanted to get in here. It kind of fits sideways, but hey, it works. And this will slide out really good right here, so that's good. And then that's pretty much it, but it worked. Well, I could thank my husband for that because he came in here and he kind of maneuvered things around for me, and voila, husband's work magic. Anyway, so this was like a little short and sweet type of video, but hopefully gives you some inspiration. And like I said, got this at Aldi for $14.99, guys. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.